As of early 2026, UAE work visas for Pakistani citizens are open, but subject to strict employer sponsorship, security clearance, and company profiling, with higher approval rates for skilled professionals. While reports exist of scrutiny on new visas due to security concerns, options for skilled jobs and remote work, including the digital nomad visa, remain available. YouTube Plus 2. Key updates for 2026. Visa status. Open, but with high scrutiny on new visas. Some reports indicate a potential shadow ban or, at minimum, slow processing for certain categories. Skilled workers, high-skilled, and qualified professionals have better chances of approval. Documents needed: passport, educational certificates, attested job offer, and a valid medical fitness certificate. Freelance remote. Digital nomad visas are available for professionals who can prove employment outside the UAE and meet salary requirements. Travel visit visas. Open for Pakistani nationals. Visa HQ. Plus 4. Recommendations. Ensure your employer has a strong, clean track record with UAE immigration. Verify your visa status through the ICP, or GDRFA, 805,111. Ensure all documents are attested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Pakistan.
وزارة الخارجية الإماراتية 3.
Disclaimer: visa policies can change abruptly based on official security updates.